to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, let's continue the previous tutorial for rigging. This time I'm gonna be talking about the feature of with envelope weights in rigging. So just go over here, click on the mesh as shown here, then hold down shift, click on the bones to select them, and hit Ctrl+P. It's gonna be showing this pop-up menu as shown in our tutorial. We have many different options in this pop-up menu. So under Armature deform, we have with empty groups that I have talked about in the previous tutorial. You can check it out. Then we have also this second choice with envelope weights. So what can this option do for the mesh and bones? So let's click on it like this. Just wait for some seconds. It's gonna be showing this menu over there. So let me show you. Let's select just the mesh as shown here, which is the hand in our tutorial. Go over here. We have this armature I've created. You should create this armature modifier shown here. So object should be modifier. Use the eyedropper to select the mesh, which is the armature over there. The armature have the bones over there, vertex group. You don't need to add some vertex groups. Just let me show you something very interesting. So this time I'm gonna be selecting the bone envelopes, and let's see the effect when trying to move the bones in pause mode, and let's see if the mesh is gonna be following the movement of bones or no. So let's try it. So let me show you. So you just go into object mode like this, then go over modifiers, select the mesh, go over modifiers, and check the preserve volume multi modifier. Just you should bend to the vertex groups like this. Because I don't use the bone envelopes, so you can check it also. For this with envelope weights, it creates the same armature modifier and vertex groups, but this time you change bend to vertex groups bone to bone envelopes like this. Change it to bone envelopes as shown here in the armature modifier, and the envelope will control which vertices move when the bone is moved in pause mode. So you may alter the bone envelope size to adjust the control. So let's move just a tiny bit. So go over there, switch to pause mode like this, select the bone. You can notice something you should set, which is this field of influence for our bone. Go over here, we have the field of influence. For example, set it to 0.3 like this, and rotate, hit R to rotate. You can see the effect, but sometimes some issues and doesn't rotate the full area like this. So Ctrl+Z to undo. Go back, hit for example 0.5 as envelope distance is gonna be enlarging or extending the field of influence. So just hit R to rotate, and you can see it better, and that's amazing. Just we have noticed some issues surrounding this area over there. You can later I will show you how to fix some issues, but it doesn't really matter. So let's move on. Let's select this bone over there. Distance is the envelope distance is set to 0.5 meters as shown here. Like this. So hit R to rotate. It's gonna be making the effect of the motion like this of this finger. Ctrl+Z to undo. So select this bone. Let's try it with this bone also. Hit R to rotate. It's gonna be making this amazing effect. Ctrl+Z. So let's move on to show you the third option, which is the parent with automatic weights. So select the mesh, then hold down shift, click on the armature as shown here. So Ctrl+P. it's gonna be showing this pop-up menu. So go over with automatic weights. So let's tweak this option over there, click on it. It's gonna be creating automatic weights for the armature and the bones over there. So again, so let me explain what can this method do. Again, creates an armature modifier and vertex groups as shown here, but this time vertices are automatically assigned to the vertex groups. The automatic assignment may or may not create the desired effect, therefore you manually correct the assignment of vertices to the vertex groups. So just go over here, select the mesh, go over this adjustable range. I have created this armature modifier. This time I'm gonna be binding to vertex groups, should be checked like this. And you can see it automatically working like this, so it auto rotate and you get this amazing effect when using automatic weights as shown here. So Ctrl+B, it's over there and you can try it also. So let's rotate this bone for example. And you can see the amazing effect with no issues. And that's it for this tutorial. See you in next tutorial. I'm gonna be talking about weight paint for assigning vertices for rigging. And thanks for watching.